Hello, going to break. Welcome to break with C box break. This for the 2013-2014 Panini Contenders box break number 29. Here's the last one up for auction. There's Edmonton. So on the box, it's NE 206-416-536. That's NE 206-416-536. Here you go. Good luck, everybody. So the rookie Andre Seuster's 142/600 for the Lightning. And we got a rookie ticket auto of Dylan McIlrath for the Rangers. Or McIlrath. We got a hit for the Sharks of Wallin Nolan, autograph from Classic Signatures. As the Contenders, 318/499, Ryan Miller for the Sabres. And a rookie ticket auto for the Canadiens, Michael Bournival. An NHL ink of Torrey Krug for the Bruins. NHL ink for the Leafs of Carter Ashton. We got a Contenders Legacies of John Van Beesbrook for the Panthers, 106/499. Rookie ticket auto, Josh Lebo for the Leafs. A nice hit from Classic Signatures for the Canadiens of Larry Robinson. rookie ticket auto for the Flyers of Oliver Lordson. And one more pack. All base to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.